This is Harry Vogel, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. The latest KFC ad. I just happened to catch it waiting for the footy. And there's his overweight bloke who's obviously got up and his gorgeous missus cooked him bacon and eggs full of fat. And he promises to mow the lawn before he takes her to the markets. And she looks around when she's on the phone talking to her sister or her affair. And he's gone, eating red rooster chicken. You fat fuck. Hello, girl, you picked the wrong bloke. A real man mows the lawn before she can blink, turns around and then says, listen, do you want to go and eat red rooster chicken? And you can both become a pair of fat fucks. Unbelievable they put this ads on TV, making all us men look like a bunch of fucking sneaky motherfuckers. Get over it, Australia. This is Harry Vocal.